Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to upload digital products on Gumroad. So first things first, you need to create an account on Gumroad. And then here, what you're going to do is you have to create your digital product using Canva. So Canva is a free editing tool, but I strongly suggest to upgrade into Pro. Here in the create design, look for a specific category or keyword. For example, if you're about to create ebook, or let's just say if you want to sell shirts right here, like digital product for your shirt. So all you have to do is to look for t-shirt, and then here in the designs, you have to look for the specific design, or you can go to the search bar and look for a specific keyword for that. So let's just say we will be using this template. Now feel free to edit or change the style, change the font, change the font style, the font size, or the word here, for example, summer fever, something like that. You can also change the background color by tapping it. Go to the background color or color icon and then change it to the color that you want. Once done, you can also change everything here or even add an element. So go to element. Let's just say if you want to add something about summer and then go to graphics, drag that item right here. But actually, this one is optional. I know that you can do better than this. After that, you can tap on share, and then once you tap on share right here, you have to make sure that if you share this, it should be PDF. So it should be PDF here. So tap on PDF, download. Now this time you have to go to your Gumroad. So once you have your digital product, go to Gumroad, go to products on the left side, tap on new product right here, enter the title, for example, t-shirt or t-shirt digital product. And then here you have to select digital here in the option below or category. And then after that, enter the amount. Okay, and then tap on continue. Here you have to add description, add cover photo, thumbnail, and so on. You can adjust settings here. In the content, you need to upload the PDF, the digital product that we have created earlier. Now you can publish, and then you can share this, promote this, and sell this to any social media platform. And basically, that's how easy it is to upload digital products to Gumroad. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.